Okay, crude oil this morning. Let's take a look at it. The number one trade on crude oil caught the high this morning. Now, what we established this morning is the magenta moving average was down. Okay, that's our dominant moving average. So we're looking to sell to the bottom left 5-minute chart or the trend chart. We're looking to sell 93.09 or 92.80. Either or, 93.09 or 92.80. Okay, that's our two number one trades we're looking to sell. Well, it comes up to 92.80. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the number one trade. The number one trade suggests this, that we will look for big bars coming into the number one to know that the the buyers are getting trapped. So there's the buyers. They're getting trapped. They're getting trapped. Then we look for a spinning top doji at the tie. And then we look for a red reversal bar to enter the trade. There's your red reversal bar. That swing should hold. If we're getting into number one trade, we're looking for big bars where the buyers are getting trapped. Then we look for a skinny bar like a spinning top or a doji. That's typically the highs and lows in these markets. Then we look for the red bar reversal candle. Once we get short, we know our stop should be 2 to 3 ticks above the swing high, depending how you want to do it. A lot of you do 2, some of you do 3. That should be your out on this trade. Okay? So that trade told us that's where our overall out is on the number one, and there we go to the downside. Then we came into a number two possible setup. It's a number two breakdown. I said this would be a short here and a number two. LVA was right here. There was our 2/3 candle close below. Once we got below 21, our out was a whole candle close above 21. And even this retest of the previous high day, your out was a whole body candle close above. You don't have to take a 13 to 15 tick stop out. And then there's our trade that we just got in for the big hit here also. So the two number one trades, caught the low, caught the swing high, off of market profile. And then we got the our stops, never hit on either one. Never hit on either one. And then we had the breakdown on a number two right here to propel us to the downside. Okay, so the point is that you want to look at when you first log in, this magenta MA, make sure it's a dominant MA. It's a dominant MA. If it's down, we want to sell the highs. We bought the lows down here at the LVA at 92.23, which I posted in the room at 7 o'clock this morning. At 8 o'clock, it finally hit because the MA finally crossed up here, and we got long. But you know our stops can be placed 2 to 3 ticks above the swing high, swing low to hold the trade. So good job on the number one. Good job on the number two breakdown. Both the number two and the number one worked out this morning, and we're good to go on that.